I've got 110 grams of butter here. I'm gonna add 110 grams of sugar. Mix this. Once the butter and sugar is mixed, add 2 eggs. Mix this. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm gonna add 110 grams of plain all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 2 tablespoons crushed almonds. 2 tablespoons desiccated coconut. Coconut makes it so good. Mix everything. 2 tablespoons of milk. Mix it again. That's your cake mix ready. Take a greased and lined cake tin. Pour the cake mixture. Spread it in the cake tin. Just gonna sprinkle some more almonds on it. Take your air fryer basket. Put the cake tin in. This is gonna go in the air fryer at 150 degrees Celsius for 30 or 35 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. It's been 35 minutes and the cake is done.